The third and final section of this all-state etude has a con spirito, with spirit, closing of the piece. Very important to remember, there's a very small note printed there that says dotted quarter note equals 84, not a quarter note. So that means that there are two of those beats within the measure. So boo ba do ba ba da, 1 and 2 and 1 2 3 4 5 6. Very important to make sure you're keyed in on that tempo as your goal. The second thing is to remember that throughout this piece, the eighth note equals the eighth note as we move from 6/8 to 5/8 to 7/8. That eighth note will also stay constant when we get to measure 45 and measure 48. That's when we go to the 2/4 and 3/4 respectively. So very important when you get to, if I'm in measure 44, do, 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 1 and 2 and. I'm going to make sure that those eighth notes in 45 are counted evenly through the 2/4. And that's very important because in 45, you're trilling through that. Again, with spirit, it's what this movement says all about. Very important also to make sure this movement, more than any other part of the piece, has the heavier accents in here. So we really start to see them a lot. 41, 42, 43, 44, and then 47, also on the last note. Very important, that extra energy of air and the extra tongue punch to make sure this sounds very dynamic closing. It's a sure bet for an exciting close to this piece by any performer.